Welcome back for another amazing video. I'll be showing you how to create your real and demo account on your Deriv trading platform, and by just clicking on the link down in the description box. This is what you get on your browser. Then you just click on create account, create a free demo account. Then you key in your email address, then accept the terms and conditions of the platform, then create demo account. Suppose get a notification on your email account, so you log into your email account. Here is the notification. Verify your email address. This is the trader account. Then you can create the financial account and synthetic accounts by just clicking on the drop down up here. You can see I'm being asked I can start with after you're done with keying in your details, you can create a Deriv account. Then you can just select the currency of your choice. That is, if you want a Bitcoin account, USD account, just click on the currency you want, then key in your details. Then agree with the terms and conditions. After you're done with creating the Deriv accounts, you can now create your MT5 accounts by just clicking on the drop down, then just click on add if it's a synthetic account, then select any of these continents, then key in your password. And with that, you're done with creating your synthetic and financial accounts. Then you can add them to your MT5 account, your MT5 platform. After creating all these accounts, you need to connect them to your MT5, either on your mobile phone or on your machine, that is your laptop. You can download. For those with Windows, you can click on Windows. For those with OS, select the OS option, and those with their phones, you can select so that you can download on the Google Play Store or the App Store. After downloading the MT5, just install and open it. Then come back here and copy these login IDs. Copy the login ID. Copy the login ID. On your MT5, just click on File, then log into Trade Account, then paste your login ID, then copy the password, just key in the password, then select whether, depending on whether the account you want to log in is demo or a real account. If it's demo, just select Deriv demo. If it's real account, select Deriv server. This one for mine, demo account. So I select demo account, then okay. You can see the in my account. And that's all for this video.